Alright guys, we're here today at 17402 North 19th Avenue. We're going to take a look at unit number 19, which is right here in front of us. We do currently actually have a couple other units of this complex available. They're actually right over there. You can't really see them. But if you are interested, those are also currently available. They may not be at the time of this video that you're watching it. But as of right now, they are currently available. So we're gonna step inside of unit number 19 here. And as you can see, you step right into a really nice sized family room, I guess front room, living room, whatever you'd like to call it. But it is ginormous. The camera doesn't really do justice, like it kind of messes with how big it actually is. But this room goes way back there. And then you can also see you get two huge windows up here up front, and you get a really nice view as well. And they also just let in so much light that you don't even need any lights in here, and you'll still have plenty of light provided just by these windows. So those are the stairs. We're gonna do those towards the end of the tour, but we're gonna walk this way. And you're gonna see we step over here into a really nice sized closet that goes kind of under the stairs. So the stairs are directly behind this wall, so you get space all the way back there. Again, I'm not sure the camera's really picking up how far back there it goes, but trust me, there's plenty of storage and plenty of space back there. And then directly behind that is a really beautiful guest bathroom. So you can see it's very spacious. I mean, plenty of room to step in here and still have a lot of space. And then we'll come back. So that's the front of the home. We're gonna come through this hallway, which has a couple hidden items. So on the left, we're gonna have a nice washer and dryer here. And again, I mean, you just close the door and it's almost not even there. And those will come with the unit, so you don't have to provide those yourself. And then on the right, we're gonna have a really big storage closet as well. So we had the storage right behind us by the guest bathroom, and also a huge storage closet right here in the hallway. And then we're going to step into a really nice part of the home here, which is the kitchen. And then as you can see, the nice double slider lets in a ton of light. But it is a really nice kitchen in here. Again, all these appliances are going to stay just like the washer and dryer, so you don't need to provide those yourself. I want to get a close up this backsplash. We have it in a couple other of our available units right now, and this backsplash just looks fantastic. It is amazing. So this is the view from the kitchen. Over here you have plenty of space for say, like a dining table, a couch, really anything you'd like. You could put like a little dresser, storage area type of thing. Really anything you wanted to do over here you could. And then we're going to step into the backyard, which you can see a nice beautiful view. I love all the trees, all the light you can get. Very spacious back here. You could have a little grill, nice cookout during the summer. And then you can see the back of the home. Up there is one of the windows for the bedroom. And then you also get a nice little storage closet over here as well, which is again a very nice touch. And then we'll step back inside. And then we will come back over to the front, and we're gonna head upstairs. So I will see you guys at the top of the stairs. Alright, so here we are at the top of the staircase. One feature I wanted to point out is how you can see the flooring down there and the flooring up here. It carries all throughout the entire home, which is again a nice touch. So you don't have any carpet, nothing like that you could stain. So really low maintenance flooring, which is again another nice touch to this home. So as you can see, that is the front door right below us that we came through. And then we'll come up here and you'll walk directly into a full bathroom here, which you can see the nice backsplash that they carried from the kitchen into the bathroom. Nice full-size shower tub combo here. Really spacious as well, just like the one downstairs. And so if we're gonna look behind us, so those are the stairs we came up. Tucked away in the corner is another storage closet. Again, floor to ceiling shelves here. I want to mention this unit is very similar to unit number 3 that we have currently up. So if you don't get that one in time, or you don't get this one in time, the other one might still be available. So you could always check that out if you do like this unit, because they are almost the exact same. So we're going to step into this first bedroom. Again, a nice huge window, a nice ceiling fan. Which again, a lot of these homes in this area don't come with ceiling fans. So that's again another touch to this home that just adds extra value for you as a renter, because you get the ceiling fan for free. You don't have to install it. You don't have to go through all the permits, all the work to get it. It's already there for you. And then this view is amazing. So this is the front of the home right here. So the front door is almost directly below us. So you can see this is your view from the front, from the second story. A fantastic view. And then over here, tucked away in the corner, is a ginormous closet. So oh, it's a small, normal sized closet until you take a step inside. And you can see it goes all the way down there and wraps around the corner. So a very, very large closet, but you don't really get the appearance of it. It's nice and tucked away, allows for a bigger feel to the room. So another great added value to this house. So we're gonna step back through the little hallway. So we have the bathroom on the right, stairs, and the storage closet we looked at. We're gonna step into the final bedroom. There's not really a set primary bedroom for this home, but they're both about a step and a half away from the bathroom, so that's not really an issue. This one does come with a full wall of storage. You get 3 full doors. So this closet's probably a little bit bigger than the other one, even though the other one only has 1 door, but it does extend behind the wall. So again, we'll step in the corner just to see how big these rooms actually are. Again, ceiling fan, nice flooring. And then you can see out here, which would technically be out back of your unit because your backyard would be right down there. But you can see the nice views, the trees, the street. It is fantastic. It's a really quiet location as well, so you don't have to worry about that. You're right next to 100 different shopping locations, 100 different food locations as well. So you're looking at maybe a 2-minute commute to some of your favorite places, which again, really, really nice and hard to find nowadays because a lot of these builds are, on the edge of nowhere. So again, location is really, really nice for this unit and for other units that we have available over there as well. Unit number 3 and unit number 1 are currently up. So if you guys have any questions about this home, you can take a look at our website. It's rpmphoenixvalley.com. If you have, you want to schedule a tour, have questions, you want to apply, all of that is going to be on our website. Again, that's rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you for touring with me.